Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the custom Kia EV6 and this is actually a EV and this is new for 2025 and I bought this for MRP which is 179. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So again, to be clear, I bought this purely for the livery and the paint job on this one that looked really cool, and the way they uh, use the rims and all. So I just wanted to see how this one looks out of the blister. Okay, here it is. I actually came to know there is one purple version of this particular car which actually never came to India, but it came overseas as well. Okay, so out of the box the casting actually looks really beautiful, and even though I'm not a fan of EV, but this looks really nice. And the paint job on this one, this is kind of a pearlescent green that looks really nice, and you can see this anime livery here and on the side as well. That looks absolutely gorgeous. Again, they did everything really well, and again they missed out the headlight details here. There are no tail light details as well. I don't know if this actual car has any. I mean, it must have, but this one looks like a. Okay, this is a custom, right? So I don't know what they were planning to do, or how they went with it. But I was really hoping for a headlight detail here. That would have looked so awesome, to be very honest. Let me see if this anything is removable here. I don't think so. Okay, it looks really unique if you ask me. But if you want to have a unique casting which is licensed instead of going for a fantasy one, this might be your go-to casting. So this looks really nice with the livery and all. So I really wish they released the purple version in India because I do love that color a lot. I like this one also. I really wish I had that one as well because both looks really nice. That is, I think, a matte purple, but this one I really love more because of the pearlescent that the transition it shows. So it has this shark fin antenna here, rear view mirrors here. That looks really nice, and the rims looks really nice. Okay, so the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic. So it does have some interior detailing to it. Okay, this one actually is a center steering car. So I forgot to mention, even this McLaren Speedtail is a center steering car. So you can see that here. That is a good detailing to it. So let's weigh this casting now. I'm a bit curious because it feels a bit heavy. Wow, 34 grams. I was never expecting 34. I was expecting somewhere around 30. That is really good. Okay, so let's roll. Okay, it does roll really good. The wheel, there is a wheel wobble on the rear wheel, but still it rolls really good. Even the front wheel wobbles a little bit. More time. Yeah, even though both wheels wobbles a little bit, it does roll really well. I mean, it is not smooth, but it does its job. So it will perform well in the track. So if you are looking for a unique casting with a good paint job and like a cool livery, this would be the casting to get. That looks really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye. Okay, guys, I must do say one thing. I forgot to rate this casting, so I don't want to take it out of the turntable. So let me just say it right away. So they missed the headlight details and taillight details, so I'm reducing 1.1 out of 10 for that. And the grill details, I don't know if that is supposed to be a grill because it's a EV, but 9 out of 10, that's the rating I'm giving for this casting. So once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.